Hi everyone, here we have the EBS1 insert, and what I'm going to show you today is how to remove the switch assembly out of the unit and also to take the light panel out if the sockets or anything needs servicing. First, what you must do is you must remove the filters. There's two of them. You can slide the drawer out, remove the second one. To remove that light panel, there's going to be two screws. There's going to be one on the left, and there's going to be one on the right. And I'm going to go ahead and get those removed. Once the screws are removed, the light panel will slide towards you. And there you have it. The sockets are quick connect sockets, so you just squeeze them and they pull apart. Next, we're going to take a look at is that switch assembly. The switch assembly, and that whole switch bar is held on by 3 screws. So behind the drawer, there's a screw on the left, there's a screw on the right, and we have one more in the middle here. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to remove those screws as well. The light bar pulls apart. Once those 3 screws are out, I'm going to lay it here on the table that I'm working on. To remove that switch assembly, there are 2 brackets. There's one here and one right there. You take the screws out, the bracket clips come out, and the switch slides right out. This is a ribbon cable. Just grab onto it, lift up gently, and there you have it.